Hey there. Want to know how to make money online in 2023? I've got you covered. One of the best ways to make money online is through blogging. You can write about your passion and monetize your blog in various ways. Freelancing is another great way to earn money online. You can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide, and the earning potential is limitless. Have knowledge or expertise in a specific field? Create and sell online courses. It's a fantastic way to share your expertise and earn passive income. With the power of social media, you can become a social media marketer. Help businesses grow their online presence and get paid for it. Start your own YouTube channel. Create engaging and entertaining videos to attract a loyal audience, and you can make money through ads and brand partnerships. Set up your own e-commerce store. Sell products or even start a dropshipping business. The online marketplace is booming. Making money online in 2023 is easier than ever before. Explore these opportunities, and who knows, you might achieve financial freedom. So, why wait? Start exploring these online money-making opportunities today and make 2023 your year of financial success.